What's going on, guys? This is a Snyder V7. I'm here to create a discussion as to my opinion on why FSD increasing from $12,000 to $15,000 might actually be a positive thing for us as consumers and as investors. Before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down your opinions, your thoughts. Everything helps. I want to have a good discussion as to why you guys think I'm completely wrong, if I'm going bonkers. You guys just let me know, okay? Starting tomorrow, FSD will be priced in at $15,000, and if you were to purchase it, you do not have access to FSD beta. You still have to be a good driver. You still need to have a good safety score. So my theory is that Tesla is gearing up to release FSD beta to every single car that is currently subscribed or has purchased FSD. This is also supported by the fact that Elon has indeed tweeted that he wants to release FSD beta to everybody by the end of this year, and they're probably increasing the price because they know how revolutionary this is. And I've seen some videos. FSD beta does work very, very well, but at the price of $15,000, I do not think FSD should be hidden behind this safety wall. I think that 15 grand should grant you the access of the entirety of the beta, which is what I think Tesla's trying to gear up for. And if that's the case, then FSD is about to become 10 times better as you add more vehicles to the fleet. The software can only improve. You have, a small quantity as of right now, you double that, triple that, and now you have exponential information coming in from more vehicles and different situations. Expansion and more data points will definitely increase the probability of FSD not failing and the probability of it succeeding to take you from point A to point B with zero interventions, as honestly it's been doing as of lately. It's been doing a lot better than early days. If you look at all the footage that's out there on the internet. So as an investor and a consumer, this is great news. Obviously, increasing the price as of right now, I can't agree with, but if it means that there is light at the end of the tunnel, I think it's worth it. But yeah, that wraps up today's video. Just wanted to put that idea out there. I think by the end of the year, FSD beta for anybody that subscribes or buys full out FSD, and it should be insane. Definitely something to wait for. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys leave your thoughts down below. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for more content, more information. I will be bringing loads and loads of content. Am I crazy for what I said? Probably not. Will I be buying FSD? Probably not, at least not at this point. Once they fully release it and I can purchase it and they don't have to hide it behind a safety wall, I'll definitely be buying it because that is revolutionary technology for sure. But alrighty, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.